Okay, so in this episode, we want to create a new tool to just get a user input. So let's create a class. User input, and then it should be subclass from this. Yeah, so this is our class, and then we have name, user input, then description, um, uh, ask user a question for clarification or options. Then inputs. So inputs will be, so we'll start with a simple one. We'll start with the prompt. This is basically a question. Then that is type string, and we need a description. Is a prompt or question to user. That's right. And then another one. Yeah, let's put in here. So what we'll be doing later is just give a little bit options like yes, no, but it's not now. Let's say output type equal to I think string is fine. Okay, so and then that forward, like that, and then self, then prompt. Prompt is string, and return type is string. So what we should do is just ask response equals input, and then the prompt, and then that's it, return. Okay, so what is this problem here? Prompt string, yeah, that's it. So yeah, so and then what we can do is while while not, okay, and then like that. So all right, so that's basically what we want to do. Okay, and yeah, class user input. Okay, so this is about it, and then we want to do say inside the main, we want to add that tool here. User input. Okay, so this is user input, and then we just add that tool to this list of tools. User input. Let's okay. Okay, and then here what we can do is input, and let's just put it in there. Okay, so the name, let's change the name in here, and then okay, let's put in, change the name, because we have been putting tool for everything else, so I just do not want to break the convention. Okay, and in here tool is there. Okay, and then you can may use user input tool to ask user any clarification if only if needed. Okay, so that's it, and then let's run it. Oh, I have lost it. So, okay. You may use user input tool to ask any clarification only if is required. Clarification from user. Then let's just put emphasis in here. I'll just only if it is required. Okay, so let's save it, and then okay, so I do not have okay, let's do that. Okay, so this is our code, and then let's create a new one, and then source LLM. Okay, so poetry install. Okay, and then IQ string. Oh, so here in the tool we have to actually the response type is not str, so it's just str. Okay, now let's do that. What attribute should be have to be class tuple instead. Tools by line on 37. User input tool. Okay, so what is that? Okay, this is this. Okay, why is it like that now? Input, where is the tuple string? So this is exit main IQ, that's good. Okay, cool. Start. Okay, user input tool, there is something wrong in there. Tools.py line 67 original init. Okay, and then validate arguments. Okay, so attribute is wrong. Okay, so this is a inputs prompt. So description is that. Oh, right. You don't need this one. You don't need this one. Okay. Yeah, because otherwise, if we put a comma in here, that will be that's the Python. And that's how it's done in Python. Okay. So add two numbers. First number is 10. So it will have to ask second number definitely. Could you please clarify what the second number is? So second number is 20. Okay, the final answer is 30. See, this is good. So this is how our tool works. So if the model requires something, like I have asked to add two numbers and just give the first number, and it asks me the second number. So anytime it needs something from user, it should ask for that and then use that number. Okay, so all right, added user input tool. Okay, so that's basically it, and until next time, see you.